Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today we are reporting from the Sheraton Grand in Panama City. Just checked into our ocean view room, 1131, on the 11th floor. This is our ocean view. And here is a quick room tour for you guys. So this is 2 double beds. The check-in experience was pretty good. No complaints, friendly staff. So you get 2 complimentary bottles of water. Not sure if there's a... Oh, there is a little fridge. Seems to be working fine. So yeah, first impressions, it's definitely one of the more old school Sheraton properties. The lobby is like grand, nice, massive Christmas tree. Actually, here's the bathroom. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Bathroom seems a bit small. Body lotion. It's a little bit on the older side, I would say. Like the ceiling tile here would indicate that too. But yeah, the lobby's really nice. And yeah, it's like the older Sheraton type of property. Actually, look at the size of that tank here, the toilet tank, massive. So yeah, but overall, definitely high quality, good customer service. The rooms are nice. Maybe not as big as I would expect them to be for the older type of property, but yeah, so far so good. Let me know if you've stayed at this property before and what your opinion is on the Sheraton Grand Panama in the comment section. Let me know if you're planning on staying here. If you have any feedback, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel-related content from all over the world. Peace.